Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to program your garage door opener in a Nissan Pathfinder. First, ensure your vehicle is parked safely outside the garage, with the engine off. You'll definitely need your original garage door remote control handy for this process. Before starting the actual programming, it's a very good idea to clear any existing programming from your home link system to ensure a clean and successful setup. This prepares your system perfectly. To clear the home link memory, you'll need to simultaneously press and hold the two outer home link buttons, usually located on your overhead console. Keep holding them firmly until the indicator light, typically above the buttons, starts to flash rapidly. This rapid flashing is your confirmation that all previously stored codes have been successfully erased, completely preparing the system for new programming. It's a crucial first step. Now, hold your original garage door remote 1 to 3 inches away from the home link buttons in your Pathfinder. Simultaneously press and hold both the specific home link button you wish to program and your remote's open button. Continue holding both buttons until the home link indicator light changes from a slow flash to a rapid flash or becomes solid. Then, you can release both buttons. For garage door openers with rolling code systems, you'll need an extra important step. Go to your garage door opener motor unit, usually mounted on the ceiling, and locate its Learn or Smart button. Press and quickly release this button, then immediately return to your Pathfinder. Within 30 seconds, press the home link button you just programmed 3 times to finalize the setup. This completes the process.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.